on. I gotta get my camera going. It's slow. Okay, go.
Quit being scared. Go. Wow.
All right.
We're gonna back up straight into the water.
Turn.
Turn him around, going frontwards. All right. You may not need that switch, honey. Come out in the water a little more, honey. You're behind the cement.
Get out there, about 6 feet.
Okay, turn around, go back. Come on, camera. Okay. This is the dark side. I'm in a frickin' shadow. There we go. Okay, now just turn around and come back out and do that again. I don't think she heard me.
Probably not.
Justice, turn around and come on back out and do the same thing again. Oh, okay. Right through there.